Hey guys, myself Tapas Kumar Pradhan, and I would like to welcome to all of you my YouTube channels. Today, our objective to discuss the social contract traditions. So there are the three proponent in the social contract, the field of thought, like your Hobbes, Locke, and Rousseau. So let's discuss in a systematical way how they are differ from each others. So first of all, the your human natures. According to Hobbes, the human nature is pessimistic. That means Hobbes said that the human nature are self-interested. Locke says that the human nature are based on the the goodwill, the mutual assistance, or optimistic. Similarly, Rousseau also says that the human nature is based on your optimistic idea. Then the within the social contract there is a state of nature, and according to Hobbes, the state of nature is based on your solitary, nasty, poor, brutish. That means a war all against all. So in the there is no political authority. That's why the each one's hand is another one's throat. Okay. Then the locks in the locks state of nature, the humans is live life in a basically in a cooperated manner, and they are coordinated to each other. On other hand, the Rousseau, in the state of nature, the life is noble savage. Okay, human is simply take the meals and live life as well as. Then why the social contract or the political authority is requires? In the case of Hobbes, there is no such authority to regulate the life. There is a social contract need, or the state was created. In the case of Locke, there is no common authority. Although there have people have a life, liberty, property, but to regulate that thing there is a requirement of political authority. In the case of our Rousseau, there is the human civilization which is corrupted, and the private property created the inequality. That's why there is a requirement of your states. Then what will basis of the sovereignty in the case of the Hobbes? So in the case of your Hobbes, there will be absolute sovereignty or the monarchy, that the people have no liberty. All the thing will be according to your states. In the case of Locke, there is like limited government. The government will be act according to the wish and fancy of the peoples. In the case of Rousseau, there is a concept of general will, the public interest, and general will is like infallible, inalienable, unalterable, which cannot be basically revolt or violate against your general will by the peoples. Then the book. So I come to the book, like the Hobbes in his book like Leviathan basically presented the idea of social contract. Locke in his book the treatise of the government, they highlighted that social contract, and the Rousseau like in his own book the social contract presented idea of the your social contract. So this is all about your the social contract tradition by Hobbes, Locke, Rousseau. In a very systematical way we shall cover that things. I hope it is crystal clear to you, and I know that if the video is something like too long, and this is the thing which can be deferred to understanding the perspective. Thank you so much. Have a great day.